Hi, this is Sharon at Fitinfun.com, and I'm showing you some aloe that I cut from the outside pot, and I'm about to clean it up. What I have now is, I guess, 3 big pieces with a lot of stems, and I've washed them to get the dirt off, and I'm going to be cutting them apart and getting them ready to use. And I use these a lot in smoothies, the pulp from inside, so I'm going to show you how I make that today. And now we have jet planes and dogs howling. Those dogs do not like jets, fighter jets. And the little black one is trying to chase them away. That dog never howls until a jet plane comes over. He's waiting. He's protecting us. Now he's okay. He feels good. He chased him. Be sure to fit in fun no matter what.